Hi, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my Airbnb for the next 29 nights. I just arrived in Phuket, Thailand, and this is my room. For 29 nights, it was approximately $300. Staying very near to Patong Beach. Bathroom. Okay. Got the shower, the heater unit, which I doubt that I'll be using. The heater unit is hot and humid. I just need cold showers all day. Here's the bed. TV, stuff for tea, coffee, water, a mini fridge, closet, a safe, some hangers as well. And if I want to turn the AC on, the unit is right here. Side table, and this is my outside view. Let me take you out. And I believe Patong Beach is this way. It's about a 15-minute from Patong Beach. It just got done raining. The forecast for the week looks a bit rainy, but who knows if the forecast is right. And the Airbnb instructions, it says smoking is allowed on the balcony. You're allowed guests, but please, this is not a party house, which is fine. I'll just be having parties with myself. I'll keep the music to a minimum. So, just checked in, just got off of the bus from the airport. Took the Phuket Smart Bus. It was 100 baht, which is roughly $2.88. And it was about an hour ride. Took that here, and this is in a great location. It's very close to the main streets. Immediately there's restaurants and things you can eat at, different vendors for stuff right outside. I'm just very excited to be staying here. So this is where I'll be for the next bit of days. I booked this through Airbnb. I was originally going to stay in Pattaya, but then I changed my mind to Phuket. So now here I am. After being in hostels, it's nice to have my own room, have my own space for a little bit. I'm looking forward to that. I can just wake up and vibe with myself. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get going, gonna get exploring. When I was leaving Bangkok to take the bus from that hostel from Koh San Road to the airport, I met another traveler, Kevin from Australia. He is traveling through Thailand as well. He just started his journey in Thailand, Bangkok, and Phuket. And turns out that we were on the same flight together, and we took the bus here to Phuket together. So we're gonna be meeting back up for dinner and exploring the area, see what we can eat, what we find, what we get into. I'm excited. Alright, well, I will catch y'all later. I hope you enjoyed the tour. One thing about booking is that This room was roughly $300 for a month, and it just makes me think about how much I was paying for rent in America. I was paying $600 for my room, but I was also sharing the apartment with 3 other people, so there was 4 of us total, and we had a shared kitchen, a shared living room, and that was including all the utilities. $600 a month with roommates and such. And now I'm gonna be here for $300, no roommates, and all the freedom. Alright, I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my Thailand adventures, and I'll see you on the next episode of Dominique Vibes. Bye. Another thing about this hotel, because this is a hotel room that I am renting on Airbnb, is there's a pool. So later today or tomorrow, I'm definitely gonna be checking that out, and I will show you when I do.